Welcome to Ponderize, where we help you improve your study of conference talks. Today we will go over study questions for President Russell M. Ballard's talk entitled Missionary Service Blessed My Life Forever. I invite you to grab something to take notes with and answer these questions as we go. Also, feel free to pause as needed. These questions are perfect for personal study, but you may also want to discuss these questions at your next family council, quorum meeting, Relief Society lesson, or group hangout. Now, let's get into it. All right, for question number 1, President Ballard starts off his talk discussing how he started to lose some of his vision during one of his previous conference talks due to macular degeneration. Now, macular degeneration affects the central vision of your eye, makes it hard to read and see things clearly in that central part. You may still have some peripheral vision left, but that's not as easy to see with or read with. That'd be very challenging. So my first part of the question is, how would you respond to losing useful vision in one eye? For the next part B, what good things came from it for President Ballard? All right, we're going to move on to question number 2. Remember, you can pause and take time to answer these as we go. President Ballard says, "My full-time missionary service blessed my life and shaped my spiritual destiny." So the question is, how has a mission blessed your life? If you haven't served, consider the mission of one of your family members, ancestors, or friends. For question number 3, consider sharing what experiences the Lord helped you overcome so you could serve a mission, or so that someone else could. Or what experiences might you have to overcome in order to serve as a missionary in the future, possibly as a senior missionary? For question number 4, why is it so important that friends, family, and bishops encourage people to serve? You might recall some of the ways that friends, family, and bishops helped President Ballard serve, and then think about your own experience. For part B, and what are some ways we can support our children, or whoever it may be in our life, as they make this decision to serve a mission? Moving on to question number 5. How can a mission influence a person's business, marriage, and role as a parent? What experiences have you had with that? Remember, this is something that President Ballard commented on how his mission influences business, marriage, and his role as a parent. For question number 6, you will have experiences that will help you come to know him better. President Ballard says this while talking about missions. The question is, how has a mission strengthened your testimony of Jesus Christ? For question number 7, you can show him that he can trust you and can rely on you. Why is it so important to show him that he can trust and rely on us? Question number 8. President Ballard mentions the challenging assignments and leadership responsibilities that he received. Consider sharing how you have grown from the different challenges you encountered as a missionary. For question 9, President Ballard says, begin today to talk with your children about missionary service. First part of the question is, what conversations do you have in your home about missionary work? For part B, what would you change about the way you talk about missions in your home? Question number 10. For a number of reasons, not everyone serves a full-time mission. How would the Savior want us to treat such a situation? Question number 11. What are some ways you can aid the missionaries in your ward this week? All right, thank you for following along with those questions. I hope you're able to write down your answers and ponder a little bit on those topics and about missionary work. I know that the Lord is very proud of his missionaries and those who serve him. I know that there is an incredible opportunity to come to know the Savior as we do that. When I served a mission, I came to love the Lord. I learned many things, such as how to work hard, work with companions, work with members, and grow to love others and do hard things. I know that it really has impacted my life in every aspect of it. I'm grateful for it. Thank you for following along with this video. I do ask that you like and subscribe. And, if you don't want to subscribe to this channel, find some other channel that's positive, maybe from the church, that can bless your life. And hopefully it's this one. So please like and subscribe. Have a great day.